Good morning, children. How are you? Today, our lesson is about long and short. Let's read it. Long, long, sh, o, r, t, short. Long means having a greater length from one end to the other. Simply long means not short. जो चीज एक सिरे से दूसरे सिरे तक लंबी हो उसे लॉन्ग कहते हैं. Now short. Short means something that is not long in length. जो चीज कम लंबाई रखती हो उसे छोटा कहते हैं. For example, there are two ropes. One is short and one is long. Look, there are two pencils. One is long and the other is short. This ruler is long and this ruler is short. Wow, these are sugar canes. Are these long? These are sugar canes. These are long. These are short pieces of a sugar cane. This is a long bridge. This bridge is short. Let's see some animals. Who is long? Who is short? This is an elephant. It has long trunk and it has long teeth. Can you see who has a long trunk and who has a short trunk? A horse has a long tail. A donkey has a short neck and a short tail. This is a dinosaur. It has a long tail, but its arms are short. This cat has a long tail. This dog has a short tail. This is a black beautiful bird. Its beak is short and its tail is long. Another bird, it has long beak but its tail is short. This is a giraffe and it has a long neck. Its legs are also long. Look at this panda. Its neck is very short. Wow, very beautiful peacock. It has long feathers. Rabbit has long ears. A mouse has short ears and its tail is long. This is a lovely alligator. Its body is long. This is a baby alligator and its body is short. A beautiful flamingo. It has a long neck and its legs are also long. It's a lovely rooster. Its neck is short. Look, this is an ostrich. Look at its neck and look at its legs. It has long neck and it has long legs. Let's see a kangaroo. A kangaroo can make a long jump. Look at this camel. Its neck is long and its legs are also long. Look at this camel. Look at its neck and legs. This is a wood log and it is long. These are short pieces of a wood log. This is a long fish rod. This fish rod is short. This is a long path, and this path is short. This rod is long. There is a long line of cars. Okay, I hope you have learned a lot. Okay, goodbye.